kind of see. You can see it's got like a little shimmer to it. We're gonna try this one next. I'm going to make this one for myself though. I haven't picked anything to put on it just yet, but I definitely kind of know what I want, but not really. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started and let's try another tumbler. I have to pick a design first and then go on from there. I'm going to again look at the recommendations for temperature and time for this one. I'm pretty sure it might be the same, around the same, but I'm gonna check just to double check. I learned from the rug experience, carpet, what do you want to call it, just to double check things or actually check them out, because I didn't with that one. So alright, so I finally found an image. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. I have my tape. I need to get a tape dispenser thingy. I went ahead and cleaned the cup, and I already have my image. I'm a little nervous about this one because it's a lot. It's a lot more than the other one, but we're going to try it and see how it goes. I did what I did last time. I put a little bit of tape on it. I am going to try to, and I might have cut a little too much from this side. Alright, so I don't feel too confident about the bottom of this. I didn't do a very good job on the bottom, so I have a feeling that, one, I already know that I cut too short on the bottom here, so it's not going to wrap around. Hoping the top will come out, and then we'll just move past the bottom. But we're going to try it out. This is what the cup's looking like. I'm going to try this first. The top's looking pretty good, just the bottom. It's a little bit different to wrap, so I'm trying to work some of this out. Alright, so the cup is out. That was quick. I'm a little nervous about this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I know that the bottom's not gonna be perfect. Now the center is going to be my next question. Like, did I pull this tightly enough? Is it going to work out? So let's start taking some of this tape off. Okay, so I knew I was going to have a little bit of trouble with the bottom, which was expected. But this is what the bottom's looking like. I kind of actually like it. So when I was putting the tape, I realized that I wasn't getting these. I was getting these little bits that were folding in, so it did kind of mess up on there. But I kind of like it that way. And then the top, I think next time what I'm gonna do is, did I have a little ghosting too? Okay. I think what I'm going to do next time is leave a little bit of paper like I've seen some people do, and then that's what you fold in and then rub it out really well. Overall though, I can't complain. I'm actually pretty excited. I have to fix this here, so it wasn't tight enough here, so I'll probably use a little bit more tape there as well. So that's what it looks like right there, and I picked that color on purpose. But this is what the cup looks like. I'm so excited. So I have a little bit of work. I definitely have to figure out the bottom portion, the top, and here. Like you can tell, here's where I didn't have the tape. So definitely a little bit more tape right there. But once I figure these little things out, oh my goodness, I can probably do a lot better. So this is what this one looks like. I am so excited. I am going to be taking this out with me when I go out or for work. And then this is what the Sublimation paper looks like after it's been used. I feel like there's still color here, and you can definitely see where my trouble spots were. Like this is what I was talking about, like these little bottom spots here. when I put the tape, they kind of like wrinkled in together, and you can definitely see that that's what happened with it right there. The back, and the best spot right here is where I used the tape, so I definitely gonna use more tape along the side there. But oh my goodness, this is beautiful. And the cup's got a little bit of shimmer to it. I don't know if you're able to see that there. Alright, so this is what the cup's looking like. And you can see my little spots where I definitely need to work on. The top, definitely need to leave a little bit more. I cut too close to the top. And I knew that I had cut the design too small, but I wasn't gonna just throw it away. And my little trouble spots at the bottom, but for first time I think it looks absolutely beautiful. So overall, for trying my first big girl tumbler, I guess you can call it, I think it came out absolutely stunning. I definitely have some work to do and some areas to work on. I kind of like the little effect that I gave it, honestly, so I'm okay with it. And the top could also use a little bit of work, maybe a little bit tighter. Also, I made the mistake of cutting this too small, so therefore I didn't have enough to cover all the way to the top and bottom correctly. So now I know a little bit better, but I think that this turned out stunning. I like this. I picked that color on purpose. As I mentioned, it actually goes with part of school, but yeah, it looks cute. So, and I don't know if you got to see like her sunglasses are like little karate, and then all around is little. So yeah, and this one also came with its own little lid and metal straw. So this is what it looks like once you put this on, and it's still warm, it's not hot, it's just warm. So definitely need to not cut this as close as to the image like I did. Definitely work on getting these a bit more straight and getting the top a little bit tighter. I think if I would have done the top tighter, it would have come out a lot better. And I almost feel like I could have left this in there a little longer, but I'm still happy with it, and I'm still gonna use it, and I'm still gonna try it again. And once I get this right, I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to the next step and probably get these on my Etsy shop, so we'll see. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I have a couple of things to do today. I am going to show this to EJ and go on from there. I do still have to get ready for a date night, and I get a couple of things around the house done before I go on that date night. And I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day. So I hope everyone's having a great day. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we're gonna see what we try next. But I'm gonna keep trying this until I get it right. So I'm probably gonna do one for my mom, dad, brother, and so until I can get this right. So have a good day. I will see you in the next one.